couple of different takedowns to control our suspect and eventually, of course, also to handcuff him. We can create a takedown from the front, going towards the side, using our forearms, what we call the triangle technique. I'll do it slowly, slow motion. I'm gonna hit him, but not to knock him down with power, to create this sort of movement, up and down. Now I control him, I don't want to smash his head. From here, I can rotate him one side or the other one. In this case, we're gonna go, for example, here. Now, from here, I want to be sure that I can put the hand behind. Okay, controlling it. And if he doesn't do any type of compliance, of course, I can use pressure to his joints, using the other hand, and I can put a handcuff. Now at this point, let me see a little more better here. Let's say I need to check him out. I want to see what's going on, if he has any weapon. So I'm going to use one of my knee on his elbow, lifting him up, and the other one, I'm going to keep him here. So now I can check this side. Now I'm going to go on the other side, same concept. I'm going to get this one down, this here, and check him out. Now, if I need to lift him up, now, if I need to bring him up, I'm going now to control, and I need to bring him back, because otherwise he cannot get up. So control him, up, and bringing him up. Okay? Now, second way to take down, from the back, depending on the situation, if I need to be aggressive, ears, eyes, and eventually also striking on his back knee. We can do a full sequence, slowly, ears, eyes, knee. Want to be sure my elbow here. I can control his nose or even just the eyes. Same story, bringing him down, controlling him. Now rotation, I want to rotate him this side, bring him behind, give me the other hand, and cut.